using the B850 AOR's motherboard. I'm watching that tutorial as I do this, as I've never built one before, PC before. No idea what I'm doing, but I'm looking forward to getting this built. Alright, so I have the motherboard out now. Now you get my CPU, got the AMD Ryzen 7 9800X3D. I need to insert it very carefully. There you go. Now you're meant to close the latch or something. There you go. And oh, what's that supposed to happen? And I don't want to mess this up. There you go. And that's the CPU. Hell yeah. Now it's time for the RAM that I have in here. Pretty expensive. Got mine Kingston Fury, £280. Not too bad. I guess it is kind of bad. But there are other RAMs I've seen for £400, £500 on Amazon. And this is the cheapest one I could find. One that's 32 gigabyte or something, DDR5. Is that the right thing? I don't know. 32 gigabyte. Yeah, 32 gigabytes of RAM, DDR5, and that's what I'm using. Right, now you're meant to do this or something. Yeah, there you go. Let me see. So it goes on here. Boom! There you go. And now for the second one, I'm gonna put it in here. There you go, that's the RAM. This PC building thing is not as bad as I thought it'd be. This tutorial I'm watching is not too bad. And now for the SSD, I'm using Crucial P310 or something, I don't know. This is it right here. It's the next step. It's pretty small. There's 2 terabytes in this, but this is tiny as hell. Wow. I need to find my M2 slot. I'm not seeing it anywhere. Okay, I got it. I need to take this thing off. Right, I think I finally find what I'm supposed to do with the M2 for the SSD, or not the SSD, sorry. So you get this here, take that off. And now I need to put this over this. Don't fuck it up. There you go. And now I peel the sticker off. Right. Jesus. Right, I think I finally got it. There we go. Right, now I finally got my SSD ready. I'm supposed to put it at an angle, according to what the guy's saying. Like so. Shit. This is tough. I don't know if I'm doing this right. Alright, find this here. Okay. Ridiculous. Ah, there you go. That was a bit stressful. Yes, there you go. That's that done finally. Now I'm supposed to get this here and put it back on. Right, so I should just be able to. Oh, boom. I think that's good. Better be. Alright, I think that's actually it. That has to be it. Look at that there. Making progress. Just make sure it's fully in there. I think that's locked in place. Yeah, should be good. Better be good. Shit's expensive. Alright, that's finally done. I think that was the worst part so far. Right, now that that's done, I'm supposed to get the case out. My case is still in the box, still need to unpack it. It looks really cool. Antec Flux mid-tower here, I thought it looked really nice. So that's all I got. I think it looks really cool. I like the wood. Yeah. The wood's gonna go with my desk. The guy in the video is just taking the top off, but I'm not seeing anything. Maybe for me it's the bottom. Alright, the guy or something takes this thing off. I think I don't know, you're supposed to push this. There we go. Right. That's done. Boom. Pretty cool. I don't know what this is, but I guess we'll find out soon enough. And I think the bottom one as well needs to go. So I don't know. Okay. Right, now you get this here. Put the motherboard in. Motherfucker, I've got no idea where this shit goes. I don't know which way to put this. I literally have no idea. I think I know. There's like a wee hole in the corners of the motherboard. I need to line that shit up. Alright, so you just need to match the holes more or less. Yeah, I think that's it. Boom. I think there's a total of 1, 2, 3, I don't fucking know how many. But I'm gonna get these screws on now. That's that finally done. Thank God. Alright, next step, we have to put the cable or whatever this thing's called, USB something, and plug it into the motherboard. Let's go. Right. Where the hell? How the hell do I actually put this in there? When you take this part off? Wait, there's no way. Oh no, I actually can't be bothered doing this anymore. Can't lie. Oh my days. Right, I think I find it. You grab this here cable. Where the hell did it go? This here cable, put it through here, I think. There's like a wee thing, I put it through. I think it goes through this here. There you go, there you go. Right, I took a little break, but now it's time for the CPU cooler, which I have here. It's already opened. There was cable stuff as well, cable management. I just couldn't be asked filming that because it was just kind of a pain, but now to get this CPU thing, the guy in the video doesn't show you do it because there's a liquid one instead, so I'm just gonna go off the instructions. So yeah. Alright, it says here you need to remove the plastic brackets. So you get that screwdriver. Alright, so I'm gonna start off by unscrewing this shit. Right, so I'm not gonna lie, I couldn't be really bothered filming the rest of the build. So I just got set up by myself without any camera, so all that's left to do now is just peel these off. Oh yeah. This is a OLED monitor from Asus. I'll link everything down below. And now the PC. Oh yeah. I'm actually very proud of myself for doing this here. And that's it. That's my PC, first ever. So yeah.